Okay, so today we have this table that I picked up off Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, it has a lot of damage on it, a lot of scratches, nicks, rust spots. So I'm going to do my best to try to get all that off and restore this back to its former glory. First, I'll be using my drill with the wire brush attachment. And as you see, I go right in, trying to get all that clear coat off first. And about an hour into this, I realized that it was going to take all day this way, so I figured I'd try something different. Put a little goof off on there and let it just sit on there overnight and see what happens. So take my rag, kind of spread that around, get it a little bit more even. And I come back in the morning, I'll wipe off everything that lifted up. Then I had an even better idea. Decided to pour some xylene right on top of the table and see how much that can soften up that clear coat that's on there. And surprisingly, it actually did a really good job. This is how it looked after I let it sit on there for a few minutes. And I took my sander and decided to just sand it right off. And it was so soft, it came off way easier. The xylene made it so soft that I could rub it off with just my fingers. Pause. But that's how good it worked. And this is the last big patch left on the table. You see my sander is taking that right off. And it's gone. So I'm gonna go back over it with my sander a couple more times just to make sure I got every little piece up. And I'll go back over it with a finer grit just to help remove some of those coarser scratch marks. And then put an even finer grit sandpaper on there. And now I'm ready to paint. And I go back over it with another coat. And another coat. You know what? Another one. Yeah, that's looking real good now. And she's done.